In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Analytics access efficiently and seamlessly. Navigating Google Analytics can sometimes feel like walking a tightrope, especially when it comes to sharing access with your team or partners. But don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll be confident in granting the right people the access they need. Now, before we dive in, it's crucial to ensure that you have the appropriate level of access permissions yourself. To share access, you need to be an administrator at either the account or property level. This is a pivotal point because only administrators have the privilege to add or manage other users. So, make sure you're logged in with the correct account before proceeding. Once you've confirmed your administrative access, head over to analytics.google.com. Once there, you'll want to locate the admin panel. You can find this by clicking the gear icon situated in the bottom left corner of your screen. This section is where you manage all the back-end settings and configurations of your Google Analytics account. Next, you need to choose where exactly you want to add users. If your goal is to give access to all properties under your account, you'll click on Account Access Management. This option allows you to provide more comprehensive access, covering all data and analytical properties associated with the account. Alternatively, if you want to be more selective and grant access to just a singular website or app, you'll go for Property Access Management. This choice is ideal for more targeted sharing, where recipients need access to a specific segment of your analytics data. Once you've pinpointed the level at which you want to add users, it's time to proceed with adding a new user. Look towards the top right corner for the plus icon. Click this, then select Add Users from the drop-down menu that appears. This will open up a new prompt for you to enter the necessary details. In this form, you'll need to enter the person's Google email address. An important note here. The email address must be associated with a Google account for the process to work. Additionally, you'll need to decide on the permission levels you wish to grant. Whether you want them to simply view data or have the ability to edit and manage settings is entirely up to your discretion and requirements. Make sure to consult any available permission guides if you're unsure of what level to choose. Before finalizing, it's a good idea to check the Notify New Users by Email option, which is conveniently provided. Selecting this option sends an automatic invitation to the new user, notifying them of their access to your Google Analytics account. Once satisfied with your input, click Add to finalize the process. This will officially extend access, and you'll have successfully shared your Google Analytics data according to your tailored specifications. Congratulations! You've now enhanced your collaborative efforts within the Google Analytics platform. Remember, efficiently sharing access ensures that your team can analyze and optimize your digital assets effectively.